Question is like this. What is the number of selections? What is the number of selections of 10 consecutive things out of 12 things in a circle taken in the clockwise direction? The first thing is, this question is in the form of a circular arrangement. Okay. There are 12 things are there. A clock has got 12 hours. So let me call that 12 things as numbering as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 things are there. Out of that 12 things, 10 consecutive things I have to take. 10 consecutive things I have to take. And you need to take it in an clockwise direction. You need to take it in a clockwise direction. You can solve this question in a multiple ways. I will tell you 3 ways. Pattern recognition. Pattern recognition. Pattern recognition. Right? What is pattern recognition question? Pattern recognition question. Out of 12, how many consecutive things I need to take? 10 consecutive things I need to take. These are 12 things are there. What I will do is, I will simplify the question. Same pattern, I will simplify it. Same pattern, I will simplify it. I will take only 5 people. I will take only 5 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will take 5 people. If there are 12 things, I am taking 10 consecutive things. Difference is 2. If I take 5 things, difference is 2. I need to take 3 consecutive things. If 5 are there, 3 consecutive things I am taking. The similar approach, sir. I will simplify the problem with a smaller value. 3 consecutive things. 1, 2, 3 I can take, yes or no? Next I can take 2, 3, 4, yes or no? Next I can take 3, 4, 5, yes or no? Next I can take 4, 5. 4, 5, 1 I can take, yes or no? Right? Next I can 1, 2, 3 I took. Next one, okay, 1, 2, 3. Next one is 2, 3, 4. Next one is 2, 3, 4. Next one is 3, 4, 5. Next one is 5, 1, 2. 5, 1, 2. Am I right? I hope the idea it is clear. 1, 2, 3. 3 consecutive things. Starting with 1. Write 3 consecutive things. 1, 2, 3. Next one is 2, 3, 4. Next one is 3, 4, 5. Next one is 4, 5, 1. Next one is 5, 1, 2. Starting values are different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next it will become 1. Again it goes back to 1. That means out of 5 consecutive things, if I am picking 3 consecutive things, how many ways I got? 5 ways I got. So out of 12 consecutive things, if I am picking 10 consecutive things, same approach. What will be there? Start with 1. 1, 2, 3. Next is 2, 3, 4. Next is 3, 4, 5. It will continue till 12, 1, 2. After 12, again 1 will come. That means from 1 to 12. 1 to 12, how many are there? It is 12. Answer for this question is 12. Answer for this question is 12. Answer for this question is 12. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. The biggest problem with this question is most of the students probably what they will do is they will tick mark the answer as 66 because they will think that n people are there, 10 consecutive something NC2 formula, they will do it. Yeah, mathematics is all about reading the question, understanding the question, based on the inputs given in the question, solving it. This is method 1 of solving it. I simplified it with a smaller value. I got for 5 consecutive things, selecting 3. I just took 2 values less than 5 because question is out of n consecutive things and out of n things I want n minus 2 consecutive things. This is smaller value. I got answer 5. So I replicated it and I said the answer as 12, or I did it like this. This is method 2. Method 3. Method 3. You can also look at this question from a negation angle. Negation angle also will give you the negation angle. Negation angle. Negation angle also will give you the answer. Suppose there are 5 people in front of me is listening to the class. There are 5 people in front of me listening to the class. I selected 2 people. If I select 2, that means I am rejecting 3. I am rejecting 3. If I am selecting 2, that means out of 5 people, if I am selecting 2, it is equivalent to rejecting 3. It is equivalent to rejecting 3. Are you all with me? Out of 5, if I am selecting 2, that is equivalent to rejecting 3. Out of 12, if I am selecting 10 things, that means I am rejecting 2 things. In how many ways? 2 things, consecutive things can be rejected. 2 things reject, 2 consecutive things rejecting. Out of 12, I am rejecting 1 comma 2. I am rejecting 2 comma 3. I am rejecting till 12 comma 1. Rejecting 2 consecutive things is nothing but selecting 10 consecutive things. Out of 5 people sitting in front of you, if I am selecting 1, if I am selecting 1 is, I am rejecting 4. If I am selecting 1, out of 5, if I am selecting 1, I am rejecting 4. Out of n consecutive things, if I am selecting r, that means I am rejecting remaining n minus r. That is the reason NCR is equivalent to NCN minus R. NCR is equivalent to NCN minus R. I hope the idea it is clear. Out of 7 people, you are selecting 3. If you are selecting 3, that means you are rejecting other 4. Selecting 3. Out of 7 selecting 3, 7C3 is equivalent to rejecting 4, 7C4. So answer for this question is 12. Again I am explaining. Out of 12 consecutive things, 12 consecutive things, 12, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 11, right? 12 consecutive things, I want to number of selections of, right, 10 consecutive things. That means 10, 1, 2, 3 till 10, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 11. 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 11. Are you all with me? 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So 10 I can select. After 12 again 1 will start. Are you all with me? So this question can be done by simplifying it with smaller values, checking out how many cases are getting right. So and you can also do it just by visualization. You can also do it by negation. If you have understood, say yes. In case if you got any doubts, you can ask doubts. I hope the idea it is very much clear. So instead of doing 1, 2, 3 till 10, 2, 3, 4 till 11, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to, selecting a 10 is rejecting any 2. So out of 12, start rejecting 2 consecutive things. 12, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 and so on up to 11 to 12. It is and so on up to 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 5 to 6. From 1 to 2 to 12 to 1. From 1 to 12, total how many rejections can be done? 12. I hope it is clear. It is not a difficult question. People have said that it is a difficult question. Why? Because probably they were unable to visualize the concept that are given.